Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. This is 390. We have a flight to Charlotte Douglas International Airport today. We are on the ground at Washington Dulles International Airport. Today our flight number is going to be United 1412, and we have ATC on in our departure. So just fasten your seatbelts. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We have already set up the plane for departure, and all I have to do is just contact ATC and get us going. Thank you so much for watching one more time, and do enjoy this video. This is 390.
Ground, good evening. United 1738 exiting 1 center on Yankee 2. We're going to Charlie 8.
Departure checks completed. Bypass pin inserted.
I just that concourse was going on Echo.
Okay, in that case, just continue taxi down Yankee to Echo to the gate.
Yankee to Echo, United 1738.
Locking gear.
Alright, good day, United 1412. We have November ready for push.
United 1412, push to start approved, face west, expect runway 30 for departure. Contact me, ready to taxi.
Roger, that will be facing west on our pushback. We'll plan for 30 departure, and we'll call for taxi United 1412.
All engines clear. Start at will.
Alright, we just got our clearance. Let's go ahead and start the engines and get out of here. Engine number 1 start. Engine number 2 start as well. We're going for a dual engine start. That is definitely not professional of me, but I want to get out of Washington Dulles as soon as possible, guys.
Have a good flight.
Contacting center.
Okay, United 1412, runway 30, taxi field to Yankee 11.
Zulu Yankee 11 for 30, United 1412.
United 1140.
Alright, that's our last wave. Let's turn on our taxi lights, parking brakes off, and away we go.
November, United 1140, you're cleared to Tampa International. JW for departure, business transition that is filed, maintain 3000, expect flight level 36010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 133.725, squawk 6511.
Continue via Echo, United 1738.
And Delta 786 Charlie, hold short for or make way for United 1738.
Catron 2500.
Alright, we're at 30. We will stop here for now.
Catching to 2100. ILS 1.
Sir, good day, United 1412. We're at Yankee 11, runway 30, ready to go.
United 1412, Washington, good evening. On departure, fly heading 280, wind variable 3 knots, runway 30, clear to off.
Clear for the 30 will be 280, heading on airborne, United 1412. Okay, finally we got our clearance to take off. As we enter the runway, land the lights on.
Stand by,
Perfect.
your number 1, I'll give you PSA with it. United 1585, descend and maintain 4000. Descend maintain 4000, United 1585.
Alright, runway confirmed, runway 30. Let's go. Rolling takeoff, we're not going to stop. We're just going to get out of here.
United 2046, A firm, turn left, heading 090, vector displacement.
Okay, let's go.
Heading 090, United 2046. Ready, taxi to Alpha.
Jetlink 160, runway 1, taxi via
V1.
Juliet, cross runway 4 Juliet.
Rotate. Okay. Pacific to climb, gear up.
46, making sure, am I supposed to turn left or right? Because 090 is right.
Turn right, please. Right turn 090.
Roger, right, 090, United 2246.
2246, thanks. JetBlue 2334. 2246, turn right, heading 180.
21,000 feet is what we've been cleared to for now. And direct Glock.
Jetlink 160, wind 36010, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 1, Jetlink 160.
FedEx 6 Mike Hotel.
Alright, that's 10,000 feet. Let's go ahead and turn off the landing lights.
Okay, stand by.
And seatbelt signs can go off as well. Perfect.
Jetlink 160, airborne passing 900. Derek Trigan and clear.
Center United 1412, are we able to get higher? We're currently at flight level 210.
Sorry, yeah, 1412, sorry, but that climb maintain file 340.
340, 1412, not a problem.
Forward, thank you. And United 1412, at pass, descend via the Chelsea 6 arrival, Charlotte landing north, Charlotte altimeter 3010.
2010, London North, will descend rear at discretion. Chelsea 6 arrival 1412.
Cameron at 1000, United 290, AFM. United 1412, Atlanta 132.972.
3297 Atlanta 1412, here. You can literally see, I'm not too sure if you guys can see, but if you look at this line, it is actually a plane in front of us. And we're heading to Charlotte together, I think. So he's leading the way and we are descending into Charlotte at this time.
That is 1412. I might got to turn you off here. You're going to have traffic at 12 o'clock out of flight level 320, which should be at Delta 737 out of flight level 310.
We have the traffic inside. We're just admiring his contrast at this time, 1412.
Out of 1412, Roger. Do me a favor, give me a left turn heading 180, expect vectors back on to the chest. I'll get you back there.
We're turning 180 United 1412.
286. 286. Now to 1412, maintain 250 knots in the descent for spacing into Charlotte, please.
Roger that, I will take 250 for space in United 1412. Alright, so we have a lot of traffic in Charlotte, so we have been asked by ATC to reduce our speed to 250 knots.
I'm sorry, I got my thought when you're leaving for a second. Now to 1412, turn right turn headed 270.
Right turn in 270, 1412.
Descend by Chesley 6 landing north, Clement 5939.
Delta 1144, clear right to Chesley. Now to 1412, contact Charlotte approach 120.5, check in with your speed at Chesley.
25, we'll let them know on speed 1412 here.
Yeah.
Approach, good day, United 1412. We have Sierra currently at 250 knots, Chelsea 6 arrival.
United 1412, Charlotte approach, thanks for Sierra 36 right.
26 right, 1412.
And United 1412, descend via the arrival, except maintain 11,000.
We're descending via the arrival for 11,000, 1412. Alright, closer and closer we get to Charlotte, guys, slowly but surely. Thank you so much for watching today. This is 390.
44, turn left.
Do leave a like, do leave a share, comment, and let's get down to Charlotte. We're below 10,000 feet. Let's go ahead and turn on our landing lights. Seatbelt signs is already on, and we're looking good generally at this time for approach.
United 1412, turn right, heading 270, descend to maintain 4,000.
We'll be going down to 4,000 for a 270 heading United 1412. Alright, 4,000, down to 4,000, and we're turning right heading 270. Perfect.
United 350 affirmative, fly heading 140.
Beautiful sunset right here, guys.
United 1412, turn right heading 330 out of that turn. The airport will be at your 12 o'clock, 12 miles advised you can get the airport in sight.
330 heading, we'll call for a field in sight, United 1412. Alright, we have the field in sight right here. 3 lights for left, center, and right. Perfect. Approach United 1412, we have the field in sight.
United 1412, clear visual, approach runway 36 right.
Clear visual, 36 right, United 1412. Alright, this is a good time for gear down.
United 1412, contact tower 118.1, get in.
18.1 with Tower United 1412, we appreciate your help. See you.
Yeah.
Tower, good day, United 1412, show fine now, runway 36 right, Alice approach.
United 1412, Charlotte Tower, runway 36 right to the land.
Clear land 36 right, 1412. We'll arm the spoilers and set our auto brake to low. Notify cabin that we are ready for landing. Perfect. At speed. Flaps 2, speed check, flaps 2. Flaps 3, speed check, flaps 3. It's a good time to do flaps full. Let's go for flaps full configuration.
1134, welcome to Charlotte, left one able ground, 1.9, how we doing?
And we're ready for landing.
Left 44, have 1,000.
Target
Check.
32, Charlotte Tower, you up?
Alright, this is a good time to take over my aircraft autopilot off. We're hand flying at this time. Ready for landing. Check.
Hundred above.
Check.
Minimum.
Continue. We have a plane landing, waiting for us to land, and it will take off on that runway.
50.
Target 1832, runway
40.
36 right, line of away.
30. 20. Retard.
Charlotte Tower, good evening. Piedmont 59.
Alright, touchdown.
36 right.
Spoilers.
Piedmont 5939, Charlotte Tower, runway 36 right, clear to the land.
Reverse green.
Park price for arrival.
Diesel.
36 right, clear to land. Piedmont 59, 39.
United 1412, left one able, contact ground, 112.9 to protect, you have it going.
Pointer left when able, 1412. Thank you for CC. Bye bye. Manual brake in, reverse is normal. And let's take the next best exit on our left. Wait, be Charlie 10. Let's go over to ground frequency. Okay, spoilers disengage, flaps up. Ground good day, United 1412, ready for taxi to the gates. We'll take any echo gates at this time.
United 1412, Charlotte ground, hello, welcome to Charlotte. Continue straight to the ramp and have a good night.
Over the ramp, straight ahead, 1412. Thank you for the seat. Bye bye.
Bye.